Maintaining the proper temperature of a chemical is often critical for safe storage. For example, sodium hydroxide at 50% concentration will start to crystallize at or below temperatures of 60 degrees Fahrenheit. With polyethylene tanks, heat pads and insulation are available to maintain the specific temperature of the chemical being stored. Heating pads and foam insulation combine to maintain the chemical temperature even when the tank is exposed to lower ambient temperatures. Poly Processing Company, along with their heat maintenance system supplier, has designed a heat maintenance system which gives you one of the most reliable products in the industry. Poly Processing provides a state-of-the-art heat maintenance system for most of our tanks, including our vertical tanks, info tanks, safe tanks, cone bottom tanks, and even our horizontal tanks. The heat pads and controller are normally installed at a factory, as you see in this video. We want to ensure the system is properly connected and ready to be wired when it gets to the end user site. The Poly Processing tank heating system is comprised of tank heating pads and a temperature controller or thermostat. The quantity and size of the heating pads is determined by the size of the tank, the required chemical temperature, and the ambient conditions. Tank heating systems can be built to a delta T of 30, 60, and 100 degrees F. The temperature controller is a redundant system designed to prevent overages and overheating. The controller can also connect to a SCADA system or alarm to monitor the temperature of the chemical. The 2H SP controller is being installed on the tank in this video. It is for use in electrically classified hazardous areas. The 2XTC controller shown here is for use in ordinary non-hazardous areas. The controller has two temperature settings, one for process temperature control and one for high limit, over temperature protection. This is our standard control unit. Once the system is completely wired at the factory, we do a test to make sure that the heat panels work correctly and that the control box is functioning properly. Once everything is double checked, insulation is applied to the tank to help maintain the temperature of the chemicals and help prevent temperature change from environmental factors. The insulation is then covered in a mastic coating of latex paint. Poly Processing Company, along with our heat maintenance supplier, has developed an updated installation, operation, and maintenance manual for the heat maintenance systems installed on the Poly Processing tanks. The link to this manual will be given at the end of this video. When it comes to protecting your stored chemicals in a Poly Processing tank system from low temperatures and overheating, it's hard to do better than the digital heating system and the controller that Poly Processing Company provides. For additional information regarding our heat maintenance systems, go to our website, check out the links below. You can also use the QR codes to get there, or contact us at 866-765-9957.